Upgrading your home's windows is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, efficiency, and overall value. For many homeowners, residential window replacement is no longer just an option, it's a smart investment. In Washington, where seasonal changes can bring both warm summers and cooler, damp conditions, replacing outdated windows offers a wide range of benefits that enhance everyday living. One of the top reasons homeowners choose residential window replacement is improved energy efficiency. Older windows often have worn seals, single-pane glass, or outdated frames that allow air to leak in and out. This makes it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor temperature and forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder. Modern replacement windows are built with advanced features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These upgrades help keep your home comfortable year-round while reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Comfort is another major factor driving homeowners to upgrade. Drafty windows can create noticeable temperature differences from room to room, making some areas feel too cold or too warm. Replacement windows eliminate these issues by providing a tighter seal and better insulation. In Washington homes, this means fewer cold spots during cooler months and a more balanced indoor environment overall. Another important benefit is noise reduction. Outside sounds from traffic, neighbors, or nearby activity can easily pass through older windows. Modern replacement windows are designed to minimize noise with multiple layers of glass and improved sealing. This creates a quieter, more peaceful indoor space, something many homeowners truly value, especially in busier neighborhoods. Aesthetic appeal also plays a big role in the decision to replace windows. Old or outdated windows can make your home look worn and less inviting. New windows instantly refresh both the interior and exterior of your property. With a wide variety of styles, colors, and finishes available, homeowners in Washington can choose designs that complement their home's architecture and reflect their personal taste. Increased home value is another key advantage. Replacement windows are a feature that many buyers look for because they offer both functional and visual benefits. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, updated windows can make your property more attractive and competitive in the market. Even if you're not selling anytime soon, it's reassuring to know your investment adds long-term value. Durability is another reason homeowners make the switch. Modern windows are built with high-quality materials that are designed to withstand changing weather conditions. In Washington, where rain and moisture can be a concern, having windows that resist warping, rotting, and corrosion is essential. This durability means fewer repairs and a longer lifespan for your windows. Low maintenance is another benefit that homeowners appreciate. Older windows often require regular upkeep, such as repainting or resealing. Replacement windows are designed to be easy to maintain, with materials that resist wear and tear. This allows you to enjoy your home without the added hassle of constant maintenance. Improved functionality is also a major upgrade. Older windows can be difficult to open, close, or lock properly. New windows are designed for smooth operation and enhanced security, making them more convenient and safer for everyday use. Features like easy-to-use locks and durable hardware provide added peace of mind. Natural light is another reason homeowners choose replacement windows. Modern designs allow more light to enter your home while still maintaining energy efficiency. This creates brighter, more inviting spaces that can improve both mood and productivity. Finally, residential window replacement offers long-term savings. While the initial investment may seem significant, the combination of lower energy bills, reduced maintenance costs, and increased home value makes it a worthwhile upgrade over time. In the end, homeowners in Washington choose residential window replacement because it delivers a complete improvement to their living space. From enhanced comfort and efficiency to improved style and durability, new windows provide lasting benefits that make your home more enjoyable every day.